Good day, my name is Herty Managbanag, BSIT 2A, Subject Network Basics Network Management. Title Planning and Cabling Networks. Introduction. There are many considerations to make when planning the network. In this section, we will consider the LAN connections into one. The choice of which router to deploy is determined by the Internet interfaces that match the technology of the switches at the center of the LAN. The Internet work devices that we will be using in this course will be primarily routers and switches. The routers in our networks are used to interconnect the various LAN networks. Each LAN is usually connected to others using an interface on the router. The router has various LAN interfaces that it connects to these segments. Therefore, when choosing a router, you should consider the number of LANs in your global network. The router should also have interfaces that connect to outside interfaces such as to an ISP. The switch will be used to connect to the various end user devices in our network. This may be PCs, notebooks, IP phones, among others. The switch is connected to the router using one of its interfaces so that the other networks can be reached through the router. Body. Network cables are the infrastructure of your business. Network cabling services are provided by IT professionals. This includes running and installing cables as well as setting up the structure of your cabling. Three types network cabling are twisted pair, coaxial cables, and fiber optic cable are three major network cable types in the communication systems. They have different cable instructions, speed, bandwidth, and applications. Conclusion. All these concepts lead up to this chapter and beyond. In this chapter, we will learn how to plan our networks and look at the various cabling options to use in our networks at the end of this chapter. We should also learn how to plan for the IPv4 addressing we will use in our networks. These services and features are covered in the more advanced courses. Each LAN will have a router as its gateway connecting the LAN to other networks. Inside the LAN will be one or more hubs or switches to connect